Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Every time you smile, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing.
Joy is a net of love by which you can catch souls.
Be faithful in small things, because it is in them that your strength lies.
It is not the magnitude of our actions, but the amount of love that we put into them that matters.
Love is a fruit, in season at all times, and within reach of every hand.
Do not wait for leaders. Do it alone, person to person.
We shall never know all the good that a simple smile can do.
In this life, we can't do great things, but we can do little things with great love.
Spread love wherever you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier.
Peace begins with a smile.
Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless.
If we have no peace, it is because we have forgotten that we belong to each other.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love.
That saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my